Hello everyone. This is our ESMP project, Water Purifier Maintenance Alerting System. I am Abhinav. These are my teammates, Himanshu and Aditya. Our project is guided by Professor Anjali Jagtap. Next slide. This is going to be the outline of our presentation. First of all, introduction, literature survey, gap identification, problem statement and objectives, proposed methodology, requirement analysis, impact analysis, and all other things. Next slide. So this is our project, water purifier maintenance alerting system. Whenever our water purifier, water drinking water is not good or healthy to drink, our system checks the TDS, and if it is beyond permissible levels, it will remind you by sending SMS on your phone. It is effective as it acts instantly whenever the water is dirty. Or next slide. So we have researched some research paper from IEEE and all these. Some of these are from other journals too. This is from Nikhil Kedia, uh, water quality monitoring for rural areas and a sensor cloud-based economical project. It was published next generation computing technologies. This was published in next generation computing technologies. This paper focuses on ways to improve the water quality and awareness about the same through a sensor actuator system, which later shifts to sensor cloud model. This only drawback of this paper is it focuses mainly on rural areas and doesn't include how to scale it on urban scale. Second paper was of Jayati Bhatia Bhatia and Jignesh Patolia, Real-Time Water Quality Monitoring System. It was published in International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology, IRJET. It takes various chemical and physical properties of water like temperature and particle density of water using different kinds of sensor. It doesn't take into account TDS of water, so it is the drawback. Next slide. That and these are some more research papers. Here, design of online data measurement and automatic sampling system for continuous water quality monitoring system. It was published in IEEE. It has been designed for continuous water quality monitoring system. It measures dissolved oxygen, pH, data acquisition based on PCD, microcontroller sample collection unit, and it displays all the results on a display. The system in this research paper is too expensive, and another same research paper we got into international conference of on geoscience and remote sensing. It is also similar, and it has also the bulky and expensive system. Now Aditya will explain next slides.
Hello, myself Aditya Rajput. Now we can discuss about some more points in our project. Let's start with the gap identification. Drinking water goes the beyond permissible limit after the purchasing of new purifier or the last service existing purifier. After some week, it goes the permissible limit. Sensors check the so that we have designed a system which checks the TDS level continuously and gives the SMS alert after the purifiers water overcome the TDS level or ideal TDS level of drinking water. So user can repair their water purifier time to time and useful for the household use. Next slide. So problem statement of our project is to check the water quality and gives alert accordingly. Objectives of our project is to check TDS level of water, avoid the manual checking of water quality, and gives timely alert to the user. Next slide. This is our proposed methodology. This black probe is of TDS meter, uh, which detect the TDS level of water and transfer signal to TDS meter, and then TDS center is transfer the analog signals to the microcontroller which we are using Arduino Uno, and Arduino Uno display the TDS readings on the display the TDS readings on the LCD, and if the TDS level is greater than our ideal TDS level of drinking water, it send a SMS through GPS module. Next slide, please. The main part of our project is which components require for this. So hardware requirement components are microcontroller, which we are generally using Arduino, TDS sensor, GSM module, and 5-volt adapter for power supply. And software requires are Arduino Uno for microcontroller coding, and Protes we are using for PCB designing. Next slide. The impact on environment. The positive impact is all can live healthy life, and the filter will not be over damaged, so we can reuse it. The negative impact is more and more equipment required for repairing. The impact on society is positive impacts are user can check the quality of purifier water at any time. User will able to repair the system at correct time. And the negative impact is it does not check the other water quality parameters, just like temperature, pH level. And the second one is it has accuracy issue, so we cannot trust on the readings 100%. So other further details Himanshu will discuss.
Okay. Thank you, Aditya. Hello, myself Himanshu. So now our next topic is professional ethical practices to be followed. These are common like transparency, confidence, loyalty, asset protection and assurance, trustworthiness, and etc. So now let's see the system implementation. In this project, we use software called Arduino IDE. Then we uploaded our code to the microcontroller. Then according to this circuit diagram, all the wired connection done. After that, we check all the connections. Then we supplied 5-volt DC power to the microcontroller. Now we put the probe of TDS sensor in the water. This is how we implemented our system. So moving further, now let's check the results of our implemented system. This is the hardware circuit we have implemented and connected to the laptop to read the output of sensor on the serial monitor. This is our output screenshot. Here you can see the readings coming from the TDS meter. It is not much accurate right now, but after some time it shows the correct values of correct TDS values of water. Here Now, here I can show you the real-time output on the serial monitor. This is the data reading, serial monitor reading data from the COM port 6, which is connected to our controller, and it's sending the data from TDS meter to our serial monitor. You can see the live ppm, live TDS count of the water in ppm. ppm is the parts per million. So now moving ahead, this is our PCB design made in the Proteus software. It contains only 3 components called controller, sensor, and GSM module. Now here we are concluding our presentation. In this project, we just calculated the quality of water and sent the alert to the user to repair their water purifier system. In future, we can use this system in other household and industrial applications. We also can update our system and connect it to the server through internet, and we can share this data through website and mobile application to everyone. These are the some references from where we took the information for our project and created report and synopsis based on some research paper from IEEE and other journals. Thank you very much for attending our presentation.